Yeah. Lucky for us, they're pretty gentle, right, Moose? You're a good boy. But yeah, if you wanted to be, look at these teeth. Oh, you're a wolf, huh? See, I'm too friendly to be a guard dog, though. Everybody's my friend. All right, what's Raven doing? What's Raven doing? She's sniffing? You sniffing, Raven? All right, flying hearts, thank you. I see flying emojis. Thanks for joining us, everybody. Hey, don't slip, Moose. Yeah, I believe it. These two have gotten into some rumbles, but I mean, they bit each other, but nothing too serious. We have to separate them, though, every once in a while when they get a little out of hand. That's what that gate in the kitchen is for. Gotta put them on either end, but they get over it pretty fast, and then they're best friends again. Right, Raven? Yeah, you're a good girl. What do you see, Moose? We're in Vermont, USA. Let's see what Raven's doing. What are you doing, Raven? You're a good girl. You're drooling. Yeah, there you go. Yes, you're a good girl. Here comes Moose. He's jealous. You jealous that Raven was getting pet? Yeah. They can do some damage if they really want to. They are big, strong dogs. Look at you guys, both sitting like good puppies. Say hi, Raven. Good girl. Hey, no, we welcome the information. You know from experience. You too, you're a good boy. Yeah, you're a pretty girl. You smell something good?